All right, hello everybody. Welcome to day 13. Um, so kind of today's deal, we got the notes and then we've got our exit ticket, which is at the end of the slides, due by 2:30 today. Unit test for sound and light is going to be on Wednesday, so 2 days from today on Wednesday. Today we're going to be talking specifically about colors and pigments and light and what us as humans actually see. What colors can we see, and how that makes up the colors that we interpret. So when we talk about colors, there are three primary colors that our eyes see. Now, these are different than the three primary colors in art class. So if you think of those, it's a little bit different, and so that can be a little bit confusing that way. So make sure you understand that this is specifically just for your eye. So the primary colors of light, according to our biology and our eyes, are blue, green, and red. And when we combine those colors equally, all three of those, we make white. And by combining those three colors in any kind of given ratio, so we have more blue, more red, more green, less green, whatever, we can make any color in the rainbow. So by playing with the amount of blue light, red light, and green light, we can make any color. And again, when they're all combined equally, we get white light. So here's kind of that. This will hopefully help you. Uh, if we add them all together, we get white. And then if we have more blue and red, we're going to get a color that will pop up here in a sec, right? More red and green, we're going to get a color here, green and blue down here. All right. So again, this is different than art class primary colors. It's a little bit different than that. These are primary colors based on our eyes biology. So the secondary colors of light are two or colors of light that come from combining only two of the primary colors. So those three colors are cyan, it's kind of a blue green, magenta, which is like a really bright purple, and then yellow. And those colors come from combining equal amounts of blue and red with zero green, blue and green with zero red, or green and red with zero blue. So that's how we get cyan, magenta, and yellow. So if we add equal amounts of red and green and no blue, we're going to get yellow. And again, this is just for our eyes. If we add equal amounts of green and blue and no red, we get that cyan, that kind of bright neon-y blue green. And then red and blue equal amounts with no green gives us magenta. So those are the secondary colors. All right, there are complementary colors, and these are really just combinations that will make white. Now, because the secondary colors are combinations of two of them, and all three primary colors together make white, if you add the missing primary color to its secondary color, you will get white. So yellow is missing blue light. So if you add blue and yellow together, you'll make the color white. Red and cyan, all right, together because cyan is missing red. It's all blue and all green, no red. If you add those two together, you will get white. And the same thing because magenta doesn't have any green coloring. If you add green to magenta, you get white. So if you add a primary color with the secondary color that's kind of its opposite, the one that it's missing, you will get white. And these are called the complementary colors of light. So if you add those kind of things together, that's what you get. Complementary kind of makes up there. So we got blue and yellow, kind of got this weird dashed line. The dotted line is for red and cyan, and then the dash dot line is magenta and green. So your assignment today is the exit ticket below. Red, blue, and green make up the what type of colors? Cyan light is made by mixing equal amounts of what two colors? Yellow light is made by mixing equal amounts of what two colors? And magenta light is made by mixing equal amounts of what two colors? This yellow one will kind of tell me if you did it, because if you do it, you're going to probably get the right answer instead of coming up with the art answer for this one. Again, these colors are different than art colors. Our eyes perceive things a little bit differently than pigments mix in art. All right. Have a fantastic day, everybody. Let me know if you need anything. Make sure you sign up for your one-on-one day or your small thing, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.